Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video in which we'll be covering Coti, or the coin of the internet, which has had some great news and great developments recently. So just wanted to cover it. It was also semi-requested. I know that there's quite a significant part of the Cilinix Crypto community that holds, or is also part of the Coti community, so just wanted to cover it. Right now what you can see is that it's doing fairly well. We're up about 20%, but also if you take a look at a little bit of the longer time frame, since the beginning of the year, we've gone from 5 cents to well, the top we reached today at 12.5 cents, which is an increase of about 150%, I believe. Yeah, doesn't matter. It's a very strong coin at this point in time. Volume compared to the market cap is also great, and this all comes because of because of two things. There's a lot of bullish momentum in the market today, which came in yesterday evening. But apart from that, and if you want to know more about that, check out their Twitter. But apart from that, they're also launching their own stablecoin for the Cardano blockchain, which has been going on, or they have been developing that for 1.5 years at least already. But it's I think it's a great project. It has a lot to it. It's kind of a dual system between Jet and Shen, which is a different token. It used to be an algorithmic stablecoin, but I believe, and please correct me on that if I'm wrong about that, because I'm not an expert on Coti. I know about it, I know what it is, and I know the developments. But I think they changed it from an algorithmic stablecoin to an over-collateralized one. But in the end, UST was also over collateralized, and I don't know if there are still those algorithmic smart contracts working between Shen and Jet, so let me know. But that is what's been going on here. You can on their Twitter, as I said, or what I tried to say, you can read more about that, which is launching I think next week. So usually what happens is that before great news, because this is great news for Coti, it actually directly adds value to the Coti's treasury. Usually what happens is that we'll be bullish in momentum and in strength for Coti until the drop of Jet. All right, that usually happens. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So for now, I actually think we're still bullish with Coti, and I actually expect us to then dive into the technicals. Right now we have this main resistance between 12.5 cents and 13 cents. I actually expect us to break above that and get to our next price target, which is really... historically, if you take a look at the level, it's mainly around 14.5 cents and kind of, well, 14.25 cents. So that's also my price target for now. And I think we can get there. Breaking above that, I think is going to be a lot more difficult, also because just above that, you actually have strong resistance levels around 15 cents. So we might spike up, but then not break above 14.5 cents. But this is what I expect. However, it could still very well be, and it's also what I expect, that we will first retrace a little bit from 12.5 cents. So that from here we'll drop down to the level we just broke above, around 11.5 cents. Consolidate on top of that, and then somewhere either beginning of next week, or still the end or the beginning of the weekend, or the end of this week, I think we'll be able to do something like this, and it should then be something like this. Now, in the occasion, which could happen due to external circumstances, like the Federal Reserve saying something bad, in the case that 11.5 cents breaks, or more specifically 11.3 cents breaks, then we're in some more trouble, because then we'll break down to 10.5 cents, and if we do not break above 11.5 cents easily after that, we're just going to drop down. All right. So if something happens that causes a crash in crypto, and we do not recover easily above 11.5 cents, then my analysis is invalid, and we'll probably start dropping down towards at least 9.5 cents. All right, so just to, that's not what I expect, but just to inform you of all the possible possibilities. So yeah, that's my take on Coti for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. For now, take care and bye.